Hey everyone, welcome back to Coder Squad. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone with an online presence: search engine optimization, or SEO. So, what exactly is search engine optimization? Well, in simple terms, it's the process of optimizing your website or content to rank higher on search engine results. SEO involves various techniques to make your content more visible when someone searches for relevant keywords. Now, you might be wondering, why is SEO important? Think of it this way: when was the last time you went to the second page of Google search results? Exactly. Most people click on the first few results. So, if your content appears higher in search rankings, it's more likely to get noticed. Let's break down the key elements of SEO. Keyword research. Identify and target specific keywords your audience might use. On-page optimization. Optimize your content, headings, and meta tags for search engines. Content quality. Create valuable, high-quality content that meets user needs. Link building. Acquire quality backlinks to boost your site's authority. Technical SEO. Ensure your site is technically sound for search engines. User experience. Focus on a seamless and positive user experience. In conclusion, mastering SEO is crucial for increasing your online visibility and driving traffic to your content. And as always, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to Coder Squad.